this part of my life called Find the Light. Let me be honest with you. This does work when you're confused, lonely, depressed, and you feel stressed. And let's call this the darkness. As a matter of fact, lights are things that always keep you away from the darkness. The only thing that you have to do is to think and see, what are your lights? Because it's only them that make you feel good, make you feel satisfied with your life and give you the strength of moving forward. Trust me, they are your lights.